This is the Tuesday evening update for the Navarre Fishing Pier. I'm your host, Randy Meredith. Today was hot and exciting on the pier. There was tarpon, kingfish, and hardtail caught today. Young man named Colton, which you'll see him later on in this video, he had himself a tarpon, worked it all the way from the end of the pier almost to the beach and then back down. It jumped out of the water and then it unhooked, and it was a fantastic catch. A bad day of fishing is better than a good day at work. Thank you for joining us.